I'm Corbett Wall with DV Auction, here with 3 minutes of midweek cattle markets for your Friday, May the 15th. CME cattle futures rebounded really well middle of the week after bouncing hard there early on Monday and then looking kind of disappointing, but made some big strides there on Wednesday and Thursday, and at this point higher for the week so far, so getting some good support from the board. Although we still see that huge basis as the June live cattle are trailing your current cash market by a long ways, and June live cattle ended up on Thursday at 153.80. The last significant trade weighted average that we saw from last week was around 162, so we see that lagging a long ways behind. A lot of guys would like to see that tighten up and have the board show some more support for what the market is, but your hedged up cattle feeders have really been enjoying this basis because it's helping them. They're picking up that other $8 and putting it in their pocket, and it's helping them reach a break even as on the surface they wouldn't make those cattle wash out. But when they're picking up that big basis, if they're hedged up, that's helping them show a profit. Your slaughter this week ramped up a little bit there at midweek. So far through Thursday, estimating 453,000 head slaughtered this week compared to 444,000 last week and 473,000 at this time a year ago. And so we're starting to see that. We're hoping to get maybe to 575,000. We'd like to see it ramp up to 600,000, but so far the packers just haven't pushed that far, even though they're making a little bit of money on these cattle. Box beef made some big strides in the middle of the week there and almost up at record levels, as we see choice got up there on Thursday to 264.74 and really stretching out on that choice select spread. Select boxes were at 251.31. That spreads at around 13.50, as we know that these calf feds that they're starting to harvest right now are not grading near as well, and we're seeing a bigger consumer demand for those more expensive loin cuts there, as guys want to use those to put on the grill for their Memorial Day, Father's Day holidays and things like that. Feeder cattle kind of continued the way they were early in the week, selling a few dollars higher. We saw that continue at the big middle week sales. There in Salina, Kansas at Farmers and Ranchers Livestock, saw a load of 795-pound steers bring $219.50, which is a good price for those cattle as a backgrounded cattle. Your guys are going to want more for an 800-pound green yearling coming off grass in middle summer and late in the summer, and we haven't seen too much contracting of that as of yet. Fat cattle trade not established so far. Had a few odd sales middle of the week there from 159 to 160, but have not seen the significant trade as of yet. That's 3 minutes. We'll talk to you Monday.